Hi, I just wanted to go through the RNIB bookshare website for you so that people can access some books. You can do this through the iPad, so go onto Safari and then either put in www.rnibbookshare.org, or if you just Google RNIB bookshare, you should get a link through to this web page. And then if you log in, and you just need to put the username and password that is on the sheet of paper that I've given you, or the information sheet, and hopefully if we put this in, this will work. Okay, and then hopefully we'll sign in, and this should be the home page. If you suddenly get a different page from this, you just need to click on home page, because on the home page, if we scroll down, lots of information, so you can read through that and get some tips. But here is where the assigned books are. So this is the recent books, but if you click on assigned books, then you'll get some of the books that I've already put on. But if you have any books or any interest that you want, if you just let me know, or if there's a class book that you're doing, let me know, and I'll see if I can get it on this website, and then I can assign it to this list. And then what you need to do from this list is you actually, on your device, you'll need to download the book that you choose. So you click download, and then it'll let you know when it's ready and you can read now. So I'm just going to click on that one, read now. So when we click on read now, we get taken to the web reader. All right, and that will happen on the iPad. So on the web reader, you can then on the iPad make this as big as you need to. The web reader across the top, you've got the arrows to take you to the next page, or you can just click on the chapter itself. And as I say, using the iPad and just using your fingers, you can make that as big as you want. You can set the font. If you go to, if I just make that smaller, you've got settings here, and then the settings, then you can make that says 12, so we can make that up to 18. And then I think black and white is more than fine, and then we can just click off. But I still think you probably more than likely just need to enlarge and decrease as you want. And if we go back up to here, we should see this then will take us to full screen. And then, as I say, hopefully if you do that, it is set then. So maybe on the iPad that should be a bit easier to see, because you'll have done the settings to 18. Now what you can, oh, it hasn't, see, that's not stayed. So we just make sure that stays to 18. Save. There we are, down at the bottom. It was great, I couldn't see it. So if we save that, then that's 18. You might find that on the computer screen, although it's 18 in print, you might find on the iPad that you actually need to maybe set that a little bit bigger. Okay, because sometimes on the computer it only goes up to 28. That might be too big, but we'll just have a look. Save. Okay, but it might be that is easier rather than scrolling in, scrolling out. So when you get to that, so that's set then, and that's, you can't decrease that or increase that. Okay, so that then is the book. So you'll have that then on the iPad, and you can access that through that. Okay, and then hopefully that would be useful, so reading some books. Any problems, obviously get in touch. And as I say, if you've got any books that you want to be assigned, then just let me know. Okay, and then we can escape out of that and go back to the home page on the RNIB. All right, thanks.